What's really fun for us as a family business is to bring families together. People used to think of us as just, we put the pool in the backyard, but today we create total living environments in the backyard. This is an extension of someone's home. This is something they see themselves this time of year spending just as much time outside as they do inside. The more we can keep innovating the pool products and just the environment in the backyard, the more excited people get about what we do. We have helped over 84,000 families create their backyard memories. You can trust Shasta to put your family first through innovative design, highest construction practices, and cutting-edge technology for the next 50 years.